In this video, we are going to learn about the tape measure and the dimension tool. First, let's start with the tape measure tool. This is a simple tool which can be used to measure distances between 2 points or 2 edges in SketchUp. Now let's look at how this thing actually works. You can find it on the large toolbar set or use T as a shortcut key. So for example, you want to measure the height of this wall. In order to do so, just click on this point or anywhere on this line, and after that, just move your cursor till the next point or edge. But just make sure to not second click on the next point, and you will see the distance showing in the measurement box. You can also measure the thickness of the wall the same way. You can also measure the radius of the circle by clicking on the line and then moving to the center point. If you move a little bit further, you will get the diameter of the circle.